Vision will be restored within 7 days. Glaucoma and cataracts will be a thing of the past. This 100% effective secret recipe video that an eye doctor will never tell you is definitely worth bookkeeping. First, take a cucumber and cut it into small pieces. Cucumbers contain riboflavin, lipoic acid, vitamin B6, and the minerals calcium and magnesium. You'll also need fresh cilantro, which, in addition to vitamin A, has enough serine and zeaxanthin, plant pigments that help prevent macular degeneration and the formation of cataracts. Next, you need 2 carrots, peeled and cut into chunks. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient that is essential for healthy vision. Finally, chop up the coriander and put all the ingredients in a blender with 200 ml of water and mix well. Then strain the mixture through a strainer, pour the drink into a glass, and add a dash of lemon juice. Drink 1 glass a day 30 minutes before meals for 7 days. You'll be surprised at the results.